Zach Pickoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be going over the 13-4 work together. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so as I had stated before, I'm going to be going over the 13-4 work together. In the last video, I read over the 13-4 text. If you did miss that video for any reason, please click the link in the description. But anyway, today I will be going over the 13-4 work together, where we will be paying withholding and payroll taxes. So the instructions say a cash payments journal page is given in the working papers. Your instructor will guide you through the following examples. The following payroll data is for digital supplies for the monthly pay period ended March 31st of the current year. Alright, so as you can see over here, we have the date paid, the federal income tax withheld, the employee's Social Security tax withheld, and the employee's Medicare tax withheld. The instructions also say that the credit balances on March 31st for the unemployment tax accounts for the first quarter are as follows. Unemployment tax payable federal, $511.75. Unemployment tax payable state, $3,454.34. Digital supplies pays both unemployment taxes each quarter. Number 1. Prepare a journal entry for payment of the withheld taxes. Digital Supplies is a monthly schedule depositor. Journalize check number 383 on Cash Payments Journal, page 14, using the date the taxes are due to the federal government. And number 2, prepare journal entries for payment of the federal and state unemployment taxes liability. Assume both checks were prepared on the due date for the federal tax deposit. Check numbers 401 and 402. Okay, so now that I've read over the instructions, let's jump right into the 13-4 work together. Alrighty, so now we're going to be moving on to the 13-4 work together, in which we will be paying withholding and payroll taxes. Alright, so that is the end of the 13-4 work together. In the next video, I will be going over the 14-1 text. Okay, thank you.